Just got my package from Colorsmith and I'm about to color my hair. One of the cool things about this company was how easy it was to customize everything online. You go online, they ask you the questions, and the next thing you know, you get a box in the mail that is customized just for you. It comes with everything. The whole kit is just compact. This stuff doesn't even smell. It doesn't even have like the smell that it does have is very mild, and it just smells kind of like a shampoo. With the beard and the mustache. I mean, this is absolutely incredible. I know you guys can probably see it, but it's literally turning, like, it's taking all the gray out before my eyes. It is the weirdest thing. Protectant shampoo and some conditioner. Final product, I have to say, it's absolutely amazing. So nice. We took out some of the gray. There's an actual natural, good looking color to it. I mean, so easy to do. Everything was custom. It was so affordable. I highly recommend it for everybody out there that's looking to do this. I love it.